Hello, today's video we are showing you how to tighten up a loose cabinet. After a while hardware kind of blows out the hole that secures the door. So quick easy trick, get your screwdriver out here, take your hardware out. I did have a toothpick. Grab yourself a new toothpick. Stick it in the hole where the hardware goes. You can break it off or cut it off. To justify owning my Leatherman, I will cut it off. Don't cut yourself. There we go, we got our end in there. Put your hardware back in. You see where I'm going with this. The toothpick compensates for the oversized hole, and instead of keep getting larger and larger hardware, this is a quick, easy fix. So there we go. Now we're tight. No more shake. Well, a little shaky, but I think that's in the mechanism. Oh wait, actually I didn't tighten it enough. Actually, that's the mechanism. Anyways, it's an improvement. Easy fix. Just stuff you have around the house. Quick and easy. Follow us on Man Cave, Mayvig, etc. I don't really care. I have a full-time job. Bye.